The Creative Mark Brush Basin is a really simple tool for anybody painting. Whether you're using solvents, water, any media, the Creative Mark Brush Basin will work just great for you, and it has a few unique features. The first thing I want to show you is basically, if you can see in here, let me just remove some of these brushes. You can see that you can stand your brushes up on the side. There are ridges on the inside of the cleaning section, and that's just designed so that you can run your brush across to clear off any excess paint. And then you have two smaller reservoirs, and I like this because when I'm using it for, like, let's say watercolor, I like to clean my brush in one, and then I'll put like my warm colors in one and my cool colors in the other, or I can continue to do, clean off the majority of the paint, then have a second wash and then a third wash. That's one option. But the other thing that's unique about this is if you're wanting to soak a brush, let's say in solvent, if you don't want to clean your brush right away, a lot of times, now I've got a plastic handle on this one, so let me just show you with a wooden handle. A lot of times you don't want to leave your brushes soaking in solvent. It can, the water can soak up through the handle and crack the lacquer finish. So what this has been designed to do is you can actually put your brushes in this, and it's designed to hold it so that only the brush hairs are in the solvent or water. So it will prevent more water from getting up into the ferrule, into the handle, and cracking it. If you're in a rush and you can't clean your oil paint right away off your brush, putting it in a bath of walnut oil or any kind of oil of your choice will keep it there and prevent you from having to clean it on the spot. And then it also comes with this cover. This cover actually doubles as a palette, as you can see, and when you want to take it with you, it has a handle for easy carrying. So simple tool, great for any kind of media, watercolor, acrylic, oil, egg tempera, whatever floats your boat. It will work with the brush basin. Thanks.